don't put your, you know.
I don't know why.
That's where it is. So.
Okay, I don't know why. Y'all ready?
You doing push-ups, right?
Yeah, but we got to first, we got to get you to time us.
Oh, I never charged my phone.
Cam. Let's go, man.
Alright, I'm ready.
Are we ready? So. So, all right, fam. Hey, welcome to day 94. We got a treat for you today. I got my big dog here, Cam. We're gonna show you how to do, and Quentin. We're gonna show you how to do a 3 exercise circuit. It's going to be, we're gonna first start with tricep extensions, then we're gonna go to military single arm press, and then we're gonna go to calf raisers. And we're gonna do all that with a resistance band today. So with that, the first thing we have to do is we have to start with what?
Push-ups.
Our push-ups. We got to get our resistance band push-ups in. So with that, we're going to get started. Quentin, you got the time?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Alright, up.
Oh, really? All right, here we go. 42 seconds. Start on the 40.
And up. 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 And up.
All right. Okay, so now that's to kind of warm us up, warm the shoulders up. So the first thing we're going to do, and let me move the camera here so you can see. So first thing we're going to do is tricep extensions using the resistance band. And again, just tie it around, tie it around here, just like this. And you can do it about a little above your head. And it's just a matter of holding it, setting your feet, and just press.
Good money.
It is.
Great money. What's your resistance band? Nice with your shirt.
They're tough. And one more. Switch it off, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now, what we're doing here is the circuit. It's a 3 exercise circuit, but what we're doing is you're going to do 10 reps each set, and then you're going to rotate it to do 3 sets. So you're going to do 3 times through the circuit. So we're going to do 1 time through the circuit with you, and then we're going to let you go and we're going to get off, but we're going to continue and finish our last 2 sets. So Cam's working on his. Then after we do that, then we're going to go to single arm shoulder press or military press, however you want to call it. And I'll wait for Cam here. You all done? Okay, so now what we'll do is single arm. So, what you want to start with, the left?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, start with the left arm. You're just simply going to step into the loop, right? You're going to raise it above your head, behind your shoulder, and you're just going to press. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, switch arms. I don't know how you got the green band, Cam. I don't know how you got the green band. Maybe he's got the green IR shirt on.
You volunteered.
Oh, here I volunteer. Okay, here we go. And begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we'll do calf raises. So here, again, you want to step onto the band, but you want it to be kind of like underneath the balls of your feet. So as you push up, it's not on your heels and you fall, right? So, and then all you're gonna do is bend over and put the strap around your neck and stand up. Okay, now.
You want a little bit more resistance, you can pull this again. Pull it.
So Cam said if you want more resistance, you can pull down on the strings or pull down on the resistance band here. So with that, and begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And hey guys, that's all we have for you today. So again, now all you have to do is 2 more sets, same numbers, 3 exercises, 10 reps apiece. So with that, have a great day. Invest in yourself, invest in your health. And oh, by the way, if you got anything out of this one, if you got some value, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Right? And happy Easter. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Where is it? Where is it? It's right there. Okay, guys, talk to you tomorrow.